In this video, I will show you how you can integrate your Payoneer with your Shopify store. So first of all, if you want to add Payoneer Checkout just like that on your Shopify payment page, you need to first of all make sure to set up your Payoneer Checkout to accept global payments on your online store. Now this is a completely different thing even if you have a Payoneer personal account, like I do have a Payoneer personal account, but I cannot connect it directly into my Shopify store. So the alternative method is you need to first of all connect Payoneer Checkout to your Shopify store. Now to do so, you need to head over to settings and then go to the payments. Once you are in the payments, you just need to click on this choose a provider, and then you just need to search for Payoneer. Now after searching for Payoneer, this is going to only show you Payoneer Checkout native cards, which you just need to click on it, and then you just need to make sure to install this plugin. And after successfully installing, you will be taken to this particular page where you need to simply start by clicking on get started. Now you just need to enter your personal details, business details, and simply submit this application form, and you will going to receive a response within few hours, and then you can proceed further to activate your Payoneer checkout. Now let me also tell you some alternative ways in the payments. If you have PayPal or Shopify payments, I recommend you to go for those payment method. Or if you only want to add your personal Payoneer account to Shopify, you need to simply head over to manual payment methods, and then you just need to click on this bank deposit. Now in the additional details, you just need to head over to your Payoneer and select your US or any other bank account, then click on this view info, and you will going to receive your bank name, your bank address, routing number, which you just need to simply copy and paste it one by one. And once you have put all of your details, the next step is payment instructions. Now you can simply type something like recheck all the details before confirming the transaction, and once we receive your payments, we will fulfill your orders from our side. So once you are done with the payment instructions, you can then click on this activate bank deposit, and there you have it. We have successfully added our Payoneer bank details in the manual payment method. So whenever they go to your particular checkout page, they will see this manual payment method which they can simply send the money on, and then you can fulfill your order. Now I recommend to not use your personal account as these purposes, as it might get delayed transactions, so you need to make sure to have a business Payoneer account for these purposes. This is how you can integrate your Payoneer account with your Shopify.